Romeo Delta, readback is correct, runway 071090 altimeter 2985. Taxi via Alpha onto runway 30, contact tower 1181 holding short.
We're going to go to Alpha 407 and contacting tower holding short, Echo Romeo Delta. And ground Echo Romeo Delta, request intersection takeoff on Delta.
Romeo Delta, that's approved, and contact tower 1181 now.
Will do, just a short delay.
Gotcha.
Good afternoon, Life Flight 7 in
the mixture.
Victor.
Life Flight 7, set my ground.
Cockpit in Mike Victor, Life Flight 7, currently on 10, just starting up. We'll be looking for a northbound 2.5 Gold Bay.
Gold Bay. Check.
Life Flight 7, after runway 07 when 080 at 9, altimeter 2985.
Everything's checked.
Taxi on the hotel, hold short, runway 25. Contact tower 1181 prior liftoff.
2985, copy the wind, just wondering if we get a squawk before taxiing out, please.
Lift by 7 squawk 0346.
And Thunder Bay Tower, Skylane Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta, ready for departure 07 on Delta.
Echo Romeo Delta Tower, line for runway 07 at Delta.
Lining up 07 Delta, Echo Romeo Delta.
Life Flight 7, just need the hold short read back to Flight 7, Echo Romeo 25. Romeo Delta, contact runway terminal 119, decimal 2 in the air, when 080 at 9 from Delta, clear for takeoff runway 25, clear for takeoff runway 07, have a good flight.
Okay, takeoff 07, good day, Echo Romeo Delta.
There we go. Is it chart?
Thunder Bay departure, Skylane Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta, 1000 runway heading.
Skylane Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta, Thunder Bay terminal radar identified, turn rate 160, climb 15,000.
160 on 15,000, Echo Romeo Delta.
2919, send 3100.
3100, 39.
Schornsteine weiter im Auge behalten.
Minneapolis Center, Skylane Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta with you, 9,700 for 15,000.
It is 120.3. Good day. Golf Echo Romeo Delta, go ahead.
Could we have a block between flight level 190 and flight level 210, please?
Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta, maintain flight 190, flight level 210.
So 190 to flight level 210, thank you, Echo Romeo Delta. Minneapolis Center, Skylane Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta, flight level 192.
Golf Echo Romeo Delta, Sergeant.
Toronto Center, Skylane Charlie Golf Echo Romeo Delta, flight level 190.
Golf Echo Romeo Delta, flight level
langsamer.
We've started to picking up just a tiny little bit of ice. I'd like to request my descent into Burlington now anyway.
Echo Romeo Delta, descend 15,000, wires and altimeter 3003.
15,000, 3003, Echo Romeo Delta.
Roger.
15,000. Gucken, ob wir die Flügelspitze noch sehen.
Toronto, Turbo Beaver Fox, Echo Tango November.
Skylane, Charlie Golf, Echo Romeo Delta. I would just like to divert about 10 degrees to my right for some build-up.
Echo Romeo Delta, roger, deviations to the right are approved, rest Burlington when able.
Okay, thank you, and we'll fly direct Burlington when able, Echo Romeo Delta. Terminal, Skylane, Charlie Golf, Echo Romeo Delta.
Echo Romeo Delta, Toronto, go ahead.
I'd like to cancel IFR and search and rescue at this time.
Echo Romeo Delta, roger, I check you're canceling both the IFR and search and rescue. You can squawk 1200 cleared en route 10 miles north of the field, and there is one inbound to Burlington from the west. It's about 10 miles west of the field right now.
Okay, we have a look for that guy, and we're heading towards Burlington, Echo Romeo Delta, and here's the good day.
And what are you doing now, Kurt? What are you doing now?
Oh, well, I'm just descending to 2,000 now,
And
we're heading to an unofficial fly point, like a entry point for Burlington traffic. So we're still 9 miles away from this. I had programmed this already.
which runway is in use currently?
32. I listened to this for quite a while. So we're going to fly over the gravel pit and then head east over Burlington Center Field, and we descend to 1500, which is about 900 feet above ground, and then we go into the right downwind and right leg, and then right base, and then land on 32. So we should also change the frequency.
Traffic, Oscar Charlie Hotel is joining right base for 32, full stop.
Burlington traffic, Skylane, Charlie Golf, Echo Romeo Delta. We're currently 6 miles to the north of the gravel pit. 2000, we'll overfly the gravel pit in about 2.5 minutes at 2000, Burlington traffic. So we're now looking right straight down, runway 14.
Oh yeah, that's center line, yes.
So that's the second escarpment, Mount Nemo. There's a gravel pit on top, and that's what we're going to fly over.
Whiskey Victor India, 3.5 miles to the west, inbound for a full stop. Traffic to my north.
I'm Burlington, Skylane, Echo Romeo Delta. We are coming in from the north to the gravel pit. 2000. We are now currently 3.5 miles north of the gravel pit, and also 3.5 miles north west of the airport at 2000. Oh, there's this other plane. And the Cessna inbound for Burlington. I have you inside. Echo Romeo Delta.
Starting traffic, this is Kilo Calvic, inbound for landing, about 18 miles to the field at northwest.
Traffic, Oscar Charlie Hotel, down, clear on runway.
Burlington Unicom, airport advisory please, Kilo Calvic.
So I'll disconnect the autopilot now and follow this plane in. Burlington, Skylane, Charlie Golf, Echo Romeo Delta. escarpments. We're going to follow the Cessna over the field in Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Whiskey Victor India overhead the field at 1,500 feet, joining the mid right downwind for 3-2 full stop. Burlington traffic, Whiskey Victor India, join the mid right downwind for 3-2 full stop.
Burlington Echo Romeo Delta over the field 1500, joining downwind right. 3-2, number 2 for the approach, Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Echo Victor Sierra, comm check 1.
Burlington traffic, Whiskey Victor India, right base, 3-2 full stop.
Whiskey Victor India, Echo Victor Sierra, do you copy?
Whiskey Victor India.
Thanks, Whitney. I just wanted to make sure my radio is working. Burlington traffic, Echo Victor Sierra, crossing 2709.
Burlington traffic, Skylane, Echo Romeo Delta, turning right base, number 2 full stop, Burlington.
Burlington traffic, this is Kilo Cockpit, about 13 miles north of the field, inbound for landing.
Burlington Skylane, Echo Romeo Delta, turning final 3-2. Final 3-2, Burlington, full stop.
Perhaps this is all good.
Burlington traffic, Whiskey Victor India, clear the active bus.
For the Acton Quarry, inbound for landing at 2600.
So we have flown 1,200 miles today.
Burlington Skylane, Echo Romeo Delta, clear for runways, Burlington.